A mock-up is an important element of the design process, but what exactly is it? A mock-up can be made using various materials, including paper, cardboard or software. But whatever format it takes, a mock-up usually has the same purpose, to allow you to evaluate your design before moving on to the next step of production. Let's find out more about how they work and what they look like. A mock-up is essentially the design of your website or graphic layout in its most basic form. Whether you're designing a logo, product packaging, or your company's marketing materials, a mock-up can be created and revised before ever launching the final project. With Photoshop being one of the most commonly used design programs in our industry, this seems like an appropriate platform for creating digital mock-ups. A mock-up is used to create a visualization of what your product will look like when it's complete. Essentially, it's the prototype for the finished product. It can also be used for things other than physical products. Designers often use mock-ups in Photoshop as a design guide for websites or even logos. The most important component of any mock-ups are the dimensions that they adhere to. If you're designing something specifically for mobile phones, then your mock-up should reflect this dimensionality and contain only content appropriate for a mobile device. Photoshop is one of the more popular programs used by designers today. A prototype, or mock-up, can be an invaluable tool for showing off your idea to potential investors or the general public. The best way to show the look and feel of your idea with sketches and drawings, while they may take more time to create than a mock-ups, it's difficult for viewers to envision what you're describing. Mock-ups are among the most important stages of a project, as they allow you to present your ideas in an easy-to-digest manner. Your audience can not only get more of an idea of what they're looking at, but they can also let you know if it will be received well before going through any time or money in production.